dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The CBN Governor, Godwin Emefiele, was arraigned for printing 684 million notes with 18.96 billion pleas not guilty. Moving on, we have there is an ongoing move to unite Atiku, Peter Obi, and Kwankwoso for new mega movements so that they can save Nigeria from APC misrule. But guys, before we commence fully with this news, welcome back to this wonderful channel to bring you back-to-back updates and information as it is hot. In case it's the first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's commence with the news. The Economic and Financial Crime Commission on Wednesday arraigned the former CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele for approving the printing of 684.5 million at the rate of 18.96 billion. Godwin Emefiele pleaded not guilty to the 4-count charge, where he was arraigned on this count before Justice Mariam Ani of the Federal High Court, Abuja. In the 4-count charge filed against Godwin Emefiele, DFC alleged that Godwin Emefiele disobeyed the direction of the law with intent to cause injury to the public during his implementation of the Naira swap policy of the administration of former President Muhammadu Buhari. The anti-graft agency also accused Godwin Emefiele of unlawfully approving the withdrawal of 124.8 billion from the Consolidated Revenue Fund of the Federation. So on Wednesday, arraignment brought to 3 the number of charges pending against the former governor of CBN, Governor Godwin Emefiele. My people don't be small matter. This Godwin Emefiele matter get a CB. I hope say this matter no go enter voicemail, because the way EFCC is going, hope they won't eventually lose this case against this man. Many cases at the same time against one man. Honestly, he get a CB. This matter, nobody they call on President Bola Tinubu. But what I'm saying in essence is that the influencer and the influenced should be punished duly. It shouldn't be one-sided. That is exactly how a working government should operate. Because I don't think this man acted without an influence. It's not that easy. In a working government, everyone connected to the misappropriation of the fund must be brought to justice. That is how it works. So many persons are saying that as a working government employee, that they must really understand it. That in 100 years, nobody will call Buhari. It's only Emefiele they will be calling, because this is a lesson to all of them that don't allow your boss or anybody to influence your action. Worst come to worst, he resigned, but he did not. Instead, he was printing posters wanting to contest for president. But now, who is not bearing the consequences? It's only him. Nobody's mentioning Buhari. Nobody will even mention him. That is the truth. The place where they pay the citizens, because say the citizens were affected during that cash policy, because a lot of people died. They had money, but they could not get access to their money. Did we need that new money in the first place? Now, are we not still using the old money? The new Naira notes are still scarce. So what is the point? But the thing be say, make this man no go buy for there. If they want to arraign this man, may they arraign him once. Charge him once, let him rest in jail or in his house. First to support him. If not, he would have been hiding long before. But now, just like the case of Abacha, Godwin Emefiele was taking order from someone. All these cases are baseless. You can't put something on nothing. That is the truth. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The National Consultative Front, a major political consortium of leading opposition forces in Nigeria, has reviewed an ongoing move to unite the major candidates in the 2023 presidential election. They specifically mentioned former Vice President Atiku, Peter Obi, and Kwankwoso as some of those they are trying to unite to form a new mega movement to save Nigeria from the misrule of the All Progressive Congress. The group led by Prof. Pat Utomi disclosed this in a statement issued by their national spokesperson, Malam Hamisu. On Tuesday, the NC Front commended and applauded the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 election, Mr. Peter Obi, for what they described as his deft political move to rally leading opposition leaders in the country to engage and challenge the misrule of the country by the ruling APC. The group added that Peter Obi's consultation with Atiku the presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party in the 2023 general election, and other leading opposition figures in the country had been adopted by the NC Front. According to the group, they said the strategic consultation are a teaser to the flag off of a series of activities lined up by a new committee recently set up to facilitate and coordinate the realignment and fusion of leading opposition leaders and forces towards the formation of a new ideology. They also said that the realignment and fusion process was expected to throw up an alternative mega political move for Nigerians by March 2025, adding that it was expected to prioritize the mobilization of like-minded political leaders and forces across the country into one ideological mega political platforms, irrespective of their political parties. To this extent, the question of merger of political parties is formed to the background as secondary and can only be entertained if it becomes necessary after the formation of the new mega party by like-minded political leaders and groups in the country. So it is worthy of note that the above modus operandi was adopted at the inaugural meeting of the committee hosted in Lagos on 6 February 2024 by Prof. Pat Utomi members of the Broad-Based Alignment and Fusion Implementation Committee, including Prof. Pat Utomi, Engineer Buba Galadima, Senator Shehu Sani, and Mrs. Koyo Toyo, Johnson Ladipo, Malam Ibrahim Ali, Mr. Adi Edwin, and so many other persons. The committee is built to flag off the process of the political realignment and intervention next month by hosting major consultative meetings with leading opposition presidential candidates in the country, especially Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, and Rabiu Musa Kwankwoso. This is to be followed by joint national intervention meeting and summit of like-minded political leaders and groups in the country on the state of Nigeria as prelude to initiating a broad-based, ideological and value-driven political movement and ultra-mega political party to save Nigeria from growing misrule of the APC. Nigeria don't suffer from APC, Now make the one gather Atiku Abubakar, Peter Obi, and Kwankwoso. Hey. Why people, I don't know how they want to do them, or whether all of them want for one party they come out as presidents in 2027 election. We never know how they want to do them. On the question of who become the candidate of the new movement in 2027, the group said that it had already been foreclosed and it will only be discussed and properly resolved after the formation of the mega movement. They added that the leading presidential candidate in the 2023 election and other political gladiators in the consultations have already decided to jettison their political ambition for the formation of a formidable opposition movement capable of saving everyone from an imminent national mishap. So, the national salvation first is the guiding rule of this political intervention of the Nigeria opposition and any individual. So, any person they find that is highly placed, the person is found pursuing his own personal political agenda, will risk the expulsion from the movement. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to with us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, come your witness. Stay safe, guys.